good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. Before you watch this video right here, don't forget to add me on that Snap. As you can see right there, add me on that Instagram at SgmCashoutKing. You already know what it is. Don't forget to add me on both of those, like I said, so we can stay connected. But anyway, this video is about the top 3 cashback apps that pay also. Not only do we get cash back, but you get paid also. So let me go to the first one, because being the fact that today's the 20th and they launched a new offer. Today and tomorrow is the last day of this app giving out $15 per person that you send your link to. And when you send your link to, them, once they put their debit card, they get $5 and you get $15 for each person that does that. But these are all the cashback stuff right here that you can see. All you gotta do is type in whatever restaurant you need. It's gonna show all the nearby stuff. As you can see right here, it says nearby, or you can just go online. Let's say you want to do something online, for example, and get cash back on something online. You just go right here and you scroll through, like I just showed you on nearby, or you put the you search what you're looking for. But for now, you go nearby. Let's say you're going out with your lady, or you're going out with your male friend, or whatever the case may be. Or you're just going out, period. Like I said, it's good to get cash back on something that you're getting. Search up there, because I know this is going to take too long just going through it, unless you just see it right away. Go up there, search. You could probably get cash back on it. So, like I said, a lot of y'all didn't take advantage of this app. I don't know why, because like I said, you're going to make a mean killing. But like I said, all you got to do is go up here, right up here. Press the Dosh right there. Like there. Once the person connects, once you connect also, like I said, you go to credit card, debit. As you can see, mine is right there. And that's it, you're done. That's all you got to do. You're going to get $5 just for doing that. Or connecting your debit or your credit card. It's that simple. It's not like people make things so hard. Or you do that, you get $5 and get somebody else to do it. And like I said, you'll get $15 for each person. It's simple. So like they got other stuff you can do on here also. Like I said, you can link your PayPal, but you got to have your first 15 on there, link your PayPal card, etc. So you can get your payments on PayPal. And there's other things on here, like I said, that you can do. But like I said, it's basically a cashback app. Like I said, I'm showing you the top 3. Now, let me close this right here. For booking your first hotel, you get $25 back cash bonus. If you travel like me, these are all the cities you could go to. Like I said, you can search some up and get some discounts, etc. I'm not gonna hold you too long on all these on this app, because like I said, I'm gonna be doing 3. But this one right now is the one you should be doing right now. Like I said, being that today, I think it's the 20th. Like I said, there's one more date to this, and then after the 21st midnight, it's gonna go back to $5. So y'all just better go kill it, because a lot of y'all haven't even been killing this. Because like I said, it shows if people sign up, obviously. So a lot of y'all haven't been taking advantage of it. But this is my link right here. The link will be in the description below. And like I said, get to the grind. And like I said, let me move on to the next one. Like I said, this is my first one, being that the fact it's gonna expire and it's giving you $15. So let me move on to the next app. Now the next one, the next cashback one is Ibotta. Like I said, some of you heard of it, some of you have. Some of y'all signed up and it's pending. I don't know what y'all waiting for. Like I said, I don't know what y'all waiting for. Let me remind me later. I gotta update it. But like I said, all you're doing, let me see. For example, let me go to, I guess, Rite Aid. I'm just giving y'all a little prime example. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you a prime example. Let's just say you wanted to get some Coca-Cola and then you get 50-cent cash back. Like I said, every time I go to one of these stores, like I said, the first thing I do is go on this app and look. Like I said, I want to make some money back. You know what I mean? For products that, you don't get nothing back from. You just buying it, might as well get paid. Like I said, so it's 50 cents. I guess you press right here. You know what I'm saying? You add, add cash back. It's going to ask you to scan. It's going to ask you to scan a receipt or whatever. Like I said, go back. But I'm just giving you an example, even though I don't have the product. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to go back. I can't really show you. It's going to ask me to see it's already checked. Like I said, I don't have actually Coca-Cola. I'm giving you an example. So when I go get the receipt and I go, like, let's say right here, use card or whatever, it's going to ask me to It's gonna ask me for the receipt. Continue. Then you're gonna scan it like this. This is scanning the receipt. Then you gotta scan it. And then afterwards, it's gonna take you scanning the product, and you go from there. But like I said, it's real simple to make this cash back on these apps. Like I said, plus the referral system is great. Let me show you it right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up on these apps for too long. But let me go to the invite right here. Like I said, look at the invite, right? Earn $100 when you successfully refer 10 people. Like that ain't even that much. Like I said, 10 people that just go to the store and just scan a receipt. Like y'all buy stuff every day anyway. So 10 friends that do that, that's $100. Get $20 for 2. I know y'all can get 2 friends. Like I said, send it to 2 friends, family, relatives, put it on your social media. Once they sign up under you, they just gotta go scan something. You know what I'm saying? They just gotta simply scan something in the store and you're getting $20. You know what I mean? For the most, and for the next 3, $50 for the next 5. Like, come on, that's real light, man. That's real simple. Like I said, everybody goes buy something. Like I said, all you gotta do is click one of these stores, get the receipt, put it in there, and that's it. This is my referral code right here. It will be in the link in the description below. Like I said, send it out to the masses, your friends, your family, everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard. Like I said, sometimes, like I said, I don't get crazy numbers sometimes, but guess what? I be going out, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 cars, I drive. Sometimes I get a little $30 real quick. And that comes in real handy for me. I put it right in my gas. That lasts me all week. You know what I mean? You got to think of the bigger picture. Like I said, I'm not paying for none of this. A lot of stuff I really don't pay for just for simple apps like this. Because y'all, if some of y'all think, oh, I want $300, $400, $500 every time. Sometimes look at the bigger picture, man. This is free money. Like I said, sometimes you could be getting something to eat. It's not going to cost you $100 to get something to eat. Sometimes something at the store, you know what I'm saying, you get something to eat, it's free. You're going to put gas, it's free. You want to go downtown, free. To pay for a movie ticket, it's probably like $15 or something like that. It's free. You know how many times I went free to a lot of the places, not just only eating, gas, and movies. It's a lot of stuff. It's free. Like I said, this is one of the second cash app. It probably would be #1. But since Dosh, you know what I'm saying, right now it's giving out that 15 just to link your debit card or credit card. That's #1 to me until the offer's over, which is tomorrow. So get on that one and get on this one. So let me move on to the next and final one. The next and final one is called right here. It's called Ebates, right on top of Ibotta. So Ebates, this is where I go buy my stuff. Like I said, I don't just go to Amazon or eBay. I see how I got this stuff right here. This is my camera. This is the new camera. I bought the Canon, the other new camera. I bought the GoPro 6, as you can see right here. I said $1,200 worth of cameras. I'm about to get into it. You see the Mac right here, Mac Pro, cost me almost $2,000. Like I said, but I go right on here. Like I said, let's just say for example, I bought that. I got that stuff off eBay. So, but I got the Canon camera off eBay. I got the other one off of Best Buy website. So you go to eBay, you see they give me 2%. You press shop now. You know what I'm saying? Got it, 2%. And it's gonna take you to eBay. So then you type in what you was looking for. As you can see, I bought the Canon, so I'm just gonna click it anyways, because like I said, just to give you a prime example, I'm gonna click it so it can go into the. Come on, man. All right, so it's right here. Hold on, I pressed it twice. So it's right here. This thing acting up. So see, it's right here. What you gotta do is go to, if you like the price, buy. You know how to you check out, add to the cart, buy now, and etc. That's all you're doing. But for me doing this with this one, like I said, I had cashed out plenty of times before, but I don't really be putting this app. It's been a while since I even promoted this app, like I said, because a lot of people don't want to buy stuff. So let me give you an example right here. All right, see right there, the eBay payment right there on top. They gave me $550. Like I said, $550 for that payment right there, as you can see right there. Just for me buying something, you know what I mean? See the cashback balance right now is $6.56, just for me buying stuff. And it's real simple. Like I said, I'm always buying stuff, so like I said, I always cash out. So I'm gonna keep buying stuff. It's gonna add up, and I just cash it out. That's my main thing. What I do. So for a person that's buying stuff, for a person that's buying stuff all the time, this app is great. Plus, like I said, even if you're not, look at the referral system right here. Let me show you. $15. When your friend joins and spends at least $25, you'll get 15 and they'll get 10. Even though it doesn't say it right there, but I know that's how it goes. Like I said, because I've done it with other people. For like I said, if I share this with you, right, like I'm doing right now, and like I said, you're gonna get cash back for, let's say you go buy a iPhone case, right? You spend $25, right? So I'm gonna get 15 for you spending that $25. You're gonna get 10 from Ebates for spending that, you know what I'm saying, for me getting that 15. If it makes sense to you, I'm gonna get 15 for you spending 25, and you're gonna get 10 out of your 25. Plus, you're gonna get cash back from the product. Period. So let me run this down to you again. When you spend 25 for an iPhone case on Amazon or anywhere, they're gonna reward me with $15. They're gonna reward you with 10. Plus, they're gonna reward you with your cash back. So, like I said, you know, it's a win-win situation. You know what I mean? There's the 3 apps I just showed you. Like I said, the 3 top best cash apps right now. But Dosh, like I said, they're all giving out about 15. Well, the Ibotta's giving out a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? But Dosh, like I said, is a limited time offer. That's why I said get on it now, because you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to buy nothing. You don't have to do nothing but link your debit card. That's it. All these links right here, all 3 links will be in the description below. So get on all 3 of them and start cashing back, especially Dosh, because it's going to go back to $5. So after the 21st at midnight. So, but either way, use all 3 of these apps effectively. Like I said, combined together, I don't even know exactly how much I made, but I made a good amount. But I done bought stuff, spending it on vacations, and well, I'm not saying I got a vacation from them, but like I said, I spend some of the money on vacation, like I said, and other little things, little gadgets sitting around my crib that I want, period. Like I said, you got to use all these apps and utilize all of them until, you know, you decide to get into a major business. But we'll talk about that in another video. But all 3 of these links will be in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, but don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.